Hey guys, so we're kicking off this tribal inspired hairdo with the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. So you guys, I'm using this shampoo and this shampoo is really sooty and it's got, well of course, what do you expect with a shampoo, right? But it actually was really cleansing. It was actually very moisturizing. I got the best of both worlds with it. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing along and scrubbing through. But hey y'all, sorry I didn't get to introduce myself, but hey, this is T. I am back with another video, and of course, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the ring-a-ding-ding so you don't miss a thing, and click that notification bell so this way you guys will not miss a beat every time I post a treat. But alright, cool. Let's get that out of the way. So I'm going to now continue with the rinsing. And I'm just rinsing it through the hair oh so gently. Alright, and I'm doing my scratch test to see how much residue or how much dirt is still left, and hardly any. I don't know if you can see it, but there's really like no dirt at all. In fact, I was pleasantly surprised. Alright guys, and then next I'm kicking things off with the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This I've been hearing a lot about. A lot of naturals have really been saying that this is a really good hair mask. Very moisturizing, the slip is incredible. But yeah, as I was going through, I found that I had a very easy time going through my coily hair, especially it's very tangle prone. So yeah, look at it guys. Felt soft, nice, supple. It smelled kind of good too. In fact, this is like one of the favorites of the TGIN line that a lot of people talk about. So I was actually happy when I got it. Just recycling the conditioner there. Okay, and guys, there it is. I have actually rinsed out. And the definition is pretty decent, especially in the front. Oh, and look, hardly any shedded hairs. Not much definition in the back really, but it's okay. And I'm just gonna go with my Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I really like that it had the green tea in it, and well, actually the bottle's not really working, or the cap, so I just had to go and pour it out without the cap. Smell really nice. Just gonna work it through the hair. All right, a little bit of a texture shot there. I had an easy time detangling with this leave-in conditioner, and it was nice and thick like some of my ones, but it wasn't like, it was thick, but it wasn't too much. And then I'm going to start my braid out with the Twist and Defying cream. So yes, this is a nice thick and goopy product that I'm going to use. Smells really nice, and I'm just going to start with my subsections, and I'm just going to brush the hair through, or brush the product through so it could be evenly coated. All right, another texture shot. Very nice. Really lived up to the name. I would love to try it as a twist out, or possibly a bantu or something like that. Even though I am using it for a braid out. And guys, I'm just going to slowly just show you, at least on one braid, how I'm doing the braid out. I'm doing the under braiding, or the underhanded technique instead of overhand. I'm notorious for doing overhand, but I think that the underhand is a lot neater, and it'll come out a lot neater this way. You'll see what I mean, especially it just took a little practice for me to get my fingers to really work with it, but I got the knack of it after a while. And y'all, braid outs, you gotta have patience. They take long. It's not like a twist out where you do 1 2 1 2 1 2, even a 3 strand, but they do take a minute, so make sure you have time. They do require a lot of patience, especially depending on how small you do them. Y'all, I'm over here looking like ASAP Rocky or something. But it's all for the good cause. Alright guys, I'm going to top things off with the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. I really like that this line catered to argan oil, and I forgot to mention that the leave-in conditioner had argan oil in it as well. But I love that you can use this on your hair and your body. And the hibiscus flowers, now I wasn't sure what that was about, but it was a nice touch and it made it feel a lot more luxurious. But yeah, it was very soft going in. You know, I used some on my scalp to massage it in, and this is just before I go to sleep. And then I'm going to cater to my edges. Now I'm putting some water onto my edges, and you're probably wondering, what the heck, why are you doing that? That is counterintuitive, but I'm going in with my Smooth and Hold Edge Control with nettle leaf and castor oil. When I got it delivered to me, it came a little busted up, but that's okay. We're just gonna work with it anyway. And I'm going to use the edge control. And it actually wasn't a bad edge control. I actually figured it kind of did all right. My hair is very hard to please with certain edge controls, and it actually wasn't too bad. I just might have to blend it with something. I don't think it's that strong alone though. But I'm just going to lay it down with one of my headbands. You can use a scarf or whatever you have. I just thought this would give me a more flatter look, so. And no, surprisingly, I didn't wake up with really any marks on my head, so that was good. I had to be careful not to mess up the lay of my edges though. Alright, and then I'm just gonna sleep on it, and let's see what the next day brings. Alright guys, and now on to the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer infused with vitamin E and shea butter. And this is what I use to moisturize the hair that I've taken out. I didn't show it on camera, but I released the hair with the oil just a little bit, and then I moisturized the hair, or the left out hair, with the moisturizer, and then put it back with the oil. So I kind of did like a layer on top of a layer, just adding a little more edge control to make things a little sleeker. But yeah, I decided that I was actually going to leave half of the braid out in instead of taking it all out. I actually thought that, hey, this will not only reduce frizz, but it will also give my hair a break. So, especially at the front. And I thought it was a cute, unique little tribal style to do. Something different for the summer. But yeah. The definition wasn't exactly what I had hoped, but it still looked cute anyway. And maybe I should try braid outs that are a little more bigger, or try different products. But guys, it wasn't bad. And I'm just going to add some little cuffs for a little adornment to give it that tribal feel. Just a really simple and easy look to pull off. Alright guys, but that is it. It looks great so far. Just pulled it up in a little bun, left the rest of the hair out, and there it was. Alright, but guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that you guys decided to watch the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, ring a ding ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm T, and I'm out of here. Bye, y'all.